Hello students, in this video we are going to learn a new chapter from your general science, that is reflection of light. So in this one we are going to learn about the reflection of light and two type of rays where reflection of light has happened, that is, or by using the rays which reflection of light happens, that is incident ray and reflected ray, and loss of reflection, and some of the instrument where we are using this reflection of light. So let's start. So reflection of light, we get different feelings through senses. The sense of vision is the most important among our five senses. So we have five sense organs like ear, nose, eyes, tongue and skin. So here eyes are the one which gives the sense of vision. So sense of vision is the most important among the five senses. Because of this, we can see the hills, river, trees, people and object around us. Only with this, we can see the beautiful views of nature like clouds, rainbow, flying birds, moon and stars, etc. So vision एक sense है. So through our eyes we can sense this vision. So उसकी वजह से हम लोग हमारा नेचर में क्या क्या है वो सब देख सकते हैं. Could you see the object in the room clearly when the light was switched off? अभी हम लोग रूम में आए and we switch off the light, so we can see the object which is present at the room. So नहीं, कभी कभी कुछ हम लोग सेंस कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, लेकिन not 100%. So here from the above activity you can notice that there is some connection between the sense of vision and light. So यहाँ पे एक relationship और कनेक्शन आता है थ्रू द सेंस ऑफ विजन एंड लाइट. अगर लाइट है तो हम लोग क्लियरली देख सकते हैं, अगर लाइट नहीं है तो क्लियरली देख नहीं सकते. When we switch off the light at night, the object in the room cannot be seen and they can be seen as before when the light is switched on again. हम लोग लाइट ऑफ करते हैं तो या तो हम लोग को ऑब्जेक्ट दिखेगा नहीं, बट समटाइम वी कैन सेंस द ऑब्जेक्ट बट नॉट क्लियरली एज लाइट जैसे लाइट रहेगा. So thus we can see object when the light coming from these object enters our eyes. So the light entering our eyes may be emitted by the object or may be reflected by that object. What is meant by light reflected by an object? So हम लोग को वो ऑब्जेक्ट कैसे दिखता है थ्रू द लाइट. अगर लाइट किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर पड़ा तो उसके ऑब्जेक्ट से जो लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट होता है वो हमारे आँख में जाता है and through that we can observe that picture or object. So what does mean that the light reflected by the object or by an object? So let's see what is reflection of light. So here reflection of light means when light rays fall on an object, their direction changes and they turn back. This is called as reflection of light. अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर लाइट गिरा तो उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाता है एज वेल एज इट रिटर्न्स बैक. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस वन इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. सो लाइट यहाँ से आ रहा है. सो दिस इंडिकेट्स द लाइट कम्स फ्रॉम हियर. जैसे कि वो लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर गिरा तो उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाता है, या तो इधर जा सकता है या तो इधर जा सकता है, कोई कहीं इधर भी जा सकता है. सो आई होप आई थिंक आई राइट लाइक दिस. सो इस साइड में जाता है, सो उसका डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गया एज वेल एज इट रिटर्न्स बैक. सो ये यहाँ से पास होके एक ही लाइन में नहीं जाएगा, इट रिटर्न्स बैक. सो ये डायरेक्शन में आया था तो इस साइड में जा रहा है. मीन्स the light rays fall on an object, their direction changes and they turn back. This is called as a reflection of light. वहाँ पे reflection of light कब होगा? When a light fall on object, its direction should be changed as well as it returns back or they turn back. Then only we can see that light is called as reflection of light. For the reflection of light, here one activity is there. So you can do it, this activity in your home. You can observe the reflection of light from this activity. Here the rays falling on any surface is called as incident ray. यहाँ पे दो रेस रहेगा, एक जो ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर गिरता है एंड एक और जो ऑब्जेक्ट से बाहर निकलता है. So the ray falling on any surface are called as incident ray. The point at which an incident ray is fall is called as point of incidence. अगर एक ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज एन ऑब्जेक्ट, तो ये जो रे है इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं इंसिडेंट रे, एंड जिस पॉइंट में वो गिरता है दिस इज कॉल्ड एज इंसिडेंट्स पॉइंट ऑफ incidence. This ray is called as incident ray and this point is called as incidence point or point of incidence. The ray going away from the surface after reflection is called as reflected ray. So जो point of incidence में touch होके return back आता है, that ray is called as reflected ray. So this ray is called incident ray and this ray is called as reflected ray, and the point where this incident ray is incident is called as point of incidence. So here the point at which the incident rays fall is called as point of incidence, and the ray which going away from the surface is called as reflected ray. The direction of the reflected ray is decided by some rule which are called as laws of रिफ्लेक्शन. तो यहाँ पे रिफ्लेक्टेड रे फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कुछ रूल्स है एंड दैट रूल्स आर कॉल्ड एज लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द लॉस ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. Here one picture is there. So reflection of light. The diagram shows the reflection of light. Draw a line PQ showing the position of mirror. यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है दैट इज PQ एंड मेंशन इट एज अ मिरर. इसको सोच लो कि इट इज़ अ मिरर. ड्रॉ इंसिडेंट रे AO एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे OB. सो यहाँ पे मिरर के ऊपर एक लाइट गिर रहा है. दिस इज इंसिडेंट रे एंड दिस ग्रीन वन इज रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. So incident ray is coming ray and it is going out. So incident is AO and reflected ray is OB. Draw a perpendicular to the line showing the position of the mirror, that is PQ at O. This line ON is called as normal to the mirror. So अभी हम लोगों को एक perpendicular line draw करना है that is ON which is perpendicular to the PQ and it is incident at O. So O point में एक line ON which is perpendicular to the PQ and this line is called as normal to the mirror. Normal ray. This is incident ray, normal ray and reflected ray. And this ON is perpendicular to the PQ. So therefore the angle PON. So PON and QON, this entire angle is 90 degree. ये भी 90 degree रहेगा and ये भी 90 degree रहेगा. So this entire angle is 90 degree and this entire angle is 90 degree. So here some terms related to reflection of this are as follows. So ray AO. So this is called as incident ray and point O is called as point of incidence. Ray OB is called as reflected ray and the line ON is called as normal. So this is incident ray, reflected ray, normal, and this O is point of incidence. The angle AON, so this AON, so this much is called as the between incident ray and normal ray is called as angle of incidence. So this is called as angle of incidence. And BON, so this angle is called as angle of reflection. So it is between reflected ray and normal. So ये incident ray and normal के बीच में एक angle form होता है that is denoted as I and it is named as angle of incidence. And here the angle formed between normal and reflected ray, that is R, is called as angle of reflection. So these are the some terms related to reflection. So next, loss of reflection. So we already know that there is some loss to solve this reflection. So there are three laws of reflection, and those are the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. यहाँ पे दो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है. One is angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R. So always both the I and R are equal. So angle of I, which is equal to angle of reflection R. So angle I is equal to R. Second law, the incident ray and the reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. Incident ray, normal and reflected ray तीनों एक ही प्लेन में रहता है. सो दे ऑल आर लाई ऑन और इन द सेम plane. And the third one, the incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. So अगर ये normal है, इसका लेफ्ट साइड में इंसिडेंट रे रहेगा एंड राइट साइड में क्या रहेगा, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. अगर लेफ्ट राइट साइड में इंसिडेंट रे है तो लेफ्ट साइड में रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. सो नॉर्मल का एक साइड में क्या रहेगा, इंसिडेंट रे, अनदर साइड इट कम्स रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. So these are the three laws of reflection. So first law is, this is very important. So first law is the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence, means angle I, which is equal to angle R. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal lie in the same plane. So incident ray, reflected ray and normal तीनों एक ही plane में रहेगा. So that is lie in the same plane. The incident ray and the reflected ray are on the opposite sides of the normal. So normal का एक तरफ रहेगा incident ray and the दूसरी तरफ में रहेगा reflected ray. So these are the three laws of reflection. So this is about the reflection of light and laws of reflection. Next, in figure 16.4 A and B shows three parallel rays, shows in blue incident on smooth and rough surface, the reflected ray shown using the law of reflection shown in the red. So यहाँ पे दो पिक्चर है 16.A and B, वन है स्मूथ सरफेस, अनदर वन है रफ सरफेस. यहाँ पे ब्लू वाला लाइन जो है इट इज इंसिडेंट रे एंड रेड लाइन्स आर रिफ्लेक्टेड रे. सेम हियर, blue lines are incident and red one as reflected. The ray reflected from which surface are parallel to one another. So in दोनों में, so here incident and this reflected. So दोनों इसमें कौन सा rays parallel है. So यहाँ पे incident is parallel to each other and reflected is parallel to each other. Here incident is parallel, somewhere it is parallel, but reflected ray parallel नहीं है. So here what conclusion can you draw from the figure? So यहाँ पे ऐसा है, स्मूथ सरफेस में इंसिडेंट रेज पैरेलल टू ईच अदर एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड रे पैरेलल टू ईच अदर, बट इन रफ सरफेस इंसिडेंट रे and reflected ray, they are not parallel to each other. So here, so this is called as regular reflection of light and this is irregular reflection of light. Because regular, because स्मूथ सरफेस एक ही लेवल का है. यहाँ पे लेवल जो सरफेस का लेवल है वो स्मूथ नहीं है, रफ है. सो यहाँ पे जो भी रिफ्लेक्शन होता है इट इज कॉल्ड एज इरेगुलर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रेगुलर. सो व्हाट इज रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट एंड इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, लेट्स सी. So regular reflection of light, the reflection of light from a plane and smooth surface is called as regular reflection of light. The reflection of light when the smooth surfaces happen, then it is called as reflection of light from the smooth surface is called as regular reflection of light. For regular reflection of light, the angle of incidence as well as angle of reflection are same for all parallel rays falling on the surface. So यहाँ पे incident and reflected दोनों angle equal रहेंगे. Thus reflected rays are also parallel to one another. So if the angle of incident for incident ray are I1, I2 and I3, so इसके लिए I1, I2, I3. Similarly for the reflected R1, R2 and R3. So here I1 which is equal to I2 which is equal to I3 which is equal to R1, R2 and R3. So I1 and R1 का एंगल सेम रहेगा, I2 R2 angles are same, and I3 R3 angles are same. So which one is called as regular reflection of light? The reflection of light from the plane or smooth surface is called as regular reflection of light. So here I1, I2, I3, R1, R2, R3 are same or equal. So here incident rays are parallel as well as reflected rays are parallel to each other. Next, irregular reflection of light. So reflection of light from a rough surface is called as irregular reflection of light. So अगर smooth surface है then it is called as regular reflection. If it is on rough surface then it is called as irregular reflection. In irregular reflection, the angle of incident for parallel rays of incident are not equal and therefore their angle of reflections are also not equal. So यहाँ पे I1, I2, I3 are not parallel as well as R1, R2, R3 are not parallel. So here I1 which is not equal to I2 which is not equal to I3. Similarly R1 which is not equal to R2 and R3. So thus the reflected rays are not parallel to one another and spread over a large surface. This is clear from figure 16.4b. अभी कोई भी लाइन पैरेलल नहीं है, so it is non-parallel or not parallel, so it is called as irregular reflection of light. So these are the difference between regular reflection of light and irregular reflection of light. Here laws of reflection are followed in both regular and irregular reflection. Laws of reflection जो भी 3 laws है वो regular and irregular में होता है, and the reflection of light in irregular reflection has not been obtained because the laws of reflection are not followed. So irregular में laws of reflection follow नहीं होता, that's why reflection of light is irregular. They obtain because of the surface is rough or irregular. In irregular reflection, the angle of incident at different points are different, but at any one point, the angle of incident and angle of reflection are equal. हर तरफ angle of incident and reflection अलग रहेगा, लेकिन कोई एक point में angle of incident and angle of reflections are equal. Okay, next, reflection of reflected light. So reflection of reflected light. In saloon, there are mirrors in your front and back. The image of the back of your head is formed in the mirror at the back. The image of this image is formed in the mirror in front of you. Thus, you can see how the hair at the back side of your head is cut. So, saloon में front में एक mirror रहता है and back में. So, हमारा face का जो image है वो front में आ जाता है एंड हेड का जो बैक साइड है वो बैक मिरर में आ जाता है. बैक मिरर में जो भी इमेज फॉर्म होता है वी कैन सी दैट इमेज थ्रू दिस फ्रंट मिरर. सो हम लोग को हेयर कट कौन सा हुआ है वो हम लोग देख सकते हैं थ्रू द फ्रंट मिरर. हाउ डू वी सी द इमेज ऑफ द मून इन वाटर. सो मून का इमेज वाटर में कैसे दिखता है. एज मून इज़ नॉट सेल्फ ल्यूमिनस, उसको सेल्फ ल्यूमिनस नहीं है, मीन्स उसका लाइट नहीं है. सो इट इज़ रिफ्लेक्टेड with the help of sunlight. So the sunlight falling on the surface of the moon is reflected. This reflected light is again reflected by the water. So जैसे कि sunlight moon के ऊपर गिरता है तो वो reflect हो जाता है, we can see the moon. Similarly that light falls on the water and we can see that moon image. This reflected light is again reflected by the water to give us image of the moon. In this way light can be reflected several times. सो रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट भी फिर से रिफ्लेक्टेड होने की वजह से उसको क्या बोलते हैं, रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट. सो हियर टू इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आर देयर वेयर वी आर यूजिंग रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑफ लाइट, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज kaleidoscope and periscope. So first one is kaleidoscope. So here kaleidoscope, this one is a kaleidoscope. So here we have to take 3 rectangular mirror of the same size. Using sticking tape, stick the mirror together making a triangular with the reflecting surface facing inwards. So ऐसे हम लोगों को 3 rectangular shape mirror को यूज़ करना है एंड उसका reflecting surface जो है वो inward side रहना चाहिए. Take a white paper of triangular shape and fix it with the tape at the one end of mirror, closing that end. So एक साइड में हम लोग को पेपर लेके उसको क्लोज करना है. Insert 4 to 5 colored glass pieces in the hollow of mirrors. So इसके अंदर हम लोग को डालना है 4 to 5 colored glass pieces. Close the other end also with the paper and make a hole in it. So यहाँ पे भी हम लोग को पेपर में से क्लोज करना है एंड उसमें एक होल करना है. Look through the hole inward slide. You will see innumerable images of glass pieces. These are formed due to the reflection by the 3 mirrors. So इसके अंदर जो भी हम लोग ने ग्लास पीस डाला है, हम लोग होल के थ्रू देखेंगे तो क्या होगा. बहुत सारा इमेज फॉर्म हुआ रहेगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्लास पीसेस एंड थ्रू द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ 3 mirrors. You can see the different design in the kaleidoscope. The speciality of a kaleidoscope is that design do not easily repeat themselves. Every time the design is different. The people making wallpaper which are used to decorate wall and cloth designs use kaleidoscope for making new designs. यहाँ पे हम लोग जितने बार वो ये जो मिरर वाला कैलेडोस्कोप है उसको कितना रोटेट करेंगे हम लोगों को उसके अंदर इमेज फॉर्म होता दिखेगा एंड एवरी टाइम इट इज़ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ इमेजेस. सो वो रिपीट इजीली नहीं होता, कभी कभी होता है बहुत टाइम के बाद. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मेथड दे आर यूजिंग, पीपल्स आर यूजिंग for making wallpapers which are used to decorate the wall, and cloth designer use kaleidoscope for making new designs. So this is about the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope हम लोग को डिज़ाइन देखने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज पेरिस्कोप. So periscope, take a cardboard box, make slit in the top and the bottom side of the box and place the 2 mirrors so that they make an angle of 45 degree with the sides of the box and parallel to each other. So यहाँ पे एक कार्डबोर्ड लेना है एंड 2 स्लिट करना है एंड यहाँ पे एक एंड यहाँ पे एक. एट द टॉप एंड बॉटम we have to keep 1 mirror and the angle between them is, here it is 45 degree. So here, and these 2 mirrors are parallel to each other. Make 2 windows of 1 inch each नियर द 2 मिरर्स. तो यहाँ पे एक विंडो बनाना है एंड यहाँ पे एक विंडो बनाना है. टू नाउ सी थ्रू द बॉटम विंडो. हम लोग को ये नीचे वाला मिरर से देखना है तो हम लोग को ऊपर यहाँ पे भी अगर फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है, वी कैन सी दिस ऑब्जेक्ट थ्रू दिस मिरर. यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो वो हम लोग यहाँ पे ऐसे देखेंगे तो इट रिफ्लेक्टेड थ्रू दिस मिरर एंड दिस वन. तो यहाँ पे जो रिफ्लेक्ट आता है इसको आता है एंड थ्रू दिस इट रिफ्लेक्टेड हियर एंड वी कैन सी थ्रू हियर. मेक ए नोट व्हाट यू सी. वी कैन सी दैट ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज प्रेजेंट एट द टॉप. From the bottom window, one can see what is in front of the top window. So bottom window जो है, bottom mirror है जो है, वहाँ से हम लोगों को क्या दिखता है, जो फ्रंट मिरर, टॉप मिरर जो और फ्रंट विंडो जो है वहाँ पे कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट है, वी कैन सी दैट. सो दिस डिवाइस इज कॉल्ड एज पेरिस्कोप. दिस इज यूज्ड इन सबमरीन्स टू सी ऑब्जेक्ट अबव द सरफेस. सबमरीन्स वो वाटर के अंदर रहता है, तो ये जो पूरा मशीन है या बोट जैसा है वो उसको सबमरीन बोलते हैं. वो पूरा पानी में डूबा हुआ रहता है एंड एट द टॉप 1 पेरिस्कोप इज अटैच. तो यहाँ पे कुछ भी होता है they can see through this periscope inside the submarine. It is also used to observe and keep a watch on the object or person on the ground from the underground bunker. Kaleidoscope and periscope both use the properties of reflection of light. So that's why here they give 2 instruments. One is periscope, another one is kaleidoscope, where we are using reflection of light. So or properties of reflection of light. So it completes our chapter reflection of light. Here in this chapter we learned about reflection of light, loss of reflection, incident and reflected ray. So 2 type of reflection of light, that is irregular and regular, and reflection of reflected light, and the properties of reflection light, where we are using these properties of reflection of light in two instruments, one is kaleidoscope and periscope. I hope everyone clearly understood this chapter. This is very simplest chapter, so based on the reflection of light. In our next video, we are going to learn a new chapter and new concept. Till then, take care and study well.